Guys, so I am coming at you today with a hair review. Sorry, with a hair review, and it's on this hair of my head. And get this, it's the hair that I did an unboxing of from Shumedia. It's only been almost 2 weeks, but I am so in love with this hair that I'm like, I have to do a review on it. While I'm doing this review, I'm going to be doing my makeup because I'm getting ready to actually go. But oh my gosh, this hair is freaking amazing. Like, guys, like, I don't know if you remember, I will try to insert something here. I need to start doing my makeup, but I'm gonna insert something here about like what it looked like when I put it on in that video, comparably to how it looks now. Like, come on, guys, like, look at that. So I'm gonna get started on the makeup. If there's any lagging, I hope that there's not, because it's my first time doing this, so hopefully it's not me doing my makeup and not talking. I actually want to be talking while doing this. I should be doing my makeup and talking right now, but I just want to get into some specs about this hair. So yeah, I ordered this hair from Ali, 16 inches. Sorry, I don't know. Two mirrors, give me 1 second. I'm pretty sure I could just use this one, but whatever. Okay, whatever. So, give me a second. Okay. Oh, okay. I ordered this here from Ali. I've ordered from them before. The other one was a wavy texture, and it was about 14 inches long. This here is 16 inches long, and this is one of my first curly wigs, as far as like already made. And because I have like the other one that I wore in that video, which is one that I made, and it actually was by a vendor that's on Amazon. But oh my gosh, like, this company Shumedia, like, I need them to freaking sponsor me or, you know, just give me more hair to review, because this hair is amazing and I want to keep giving them like their props. Because, oh, let me tell you about this. I have some stuff to say. I ordered from this one company. I will insert their name here. I want to say it, but I think I might have it wrong, so I'll just insert it here. Oh my gosh, they had amazing hair, much like the Shumedia company, and I ordered from them a second time. I ordered wavy hair instead of straight, because the first time I ordered from them it was straight hair. And they try to drip me, y'all. They try to say that you measure hair from this part back, and I'm like, no, you don't, because I'm like, you guys are dripping me. Like, you guys are like definitely dripping me. Like, that's not how you measure hair. And like, they were an amazing hair company, and I fought to get my money back on the hair. I sent it back to them and fought to get my money back. And I think that they blocked me, because anytime that, and I don't know how you block a buyer on Aliexpress, but they did, because I cannot order hair from them. It'll be like they have it, their store is up and running. I can't order from them to save my life. As soon as I put it in the cart, it says this product is either discontinued or the seller something. It just says something about being discontinued. I'll actually insert some photos of what it says, and you guys tell me if you can order hair from them, because if you can, their hair is actually really, 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 really amazing. Like, I would love to wear their hair again, but they have me blocked. And then again, this video is not about them, it's about this. And Shumedia has become my freaking go-to. Like, I have other hair to review that I brought from Ali, but I'm just like, shoot. Like, my last wig that I've had, which I'll insert some, I'm gonna be inserting, I'm telling myself that I'm gonna insert stuff. I guess I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I've ordered hair from them before. I still have the freaking wig, because I'm just like, this junk is lit. Like, I'm not even gonna throw this away. Like, it's salvageable. Like, it's not worth even throwing away. Maybe I can wear it, maybe if I'm down and out and I cannot afford a wig, which I don't know how that would ever happen, but you know, things happen. Praise God for me being in a good state to where I can afford wigs. But if that ever happens to where I cannot buy hair, or hair is the last priority on my list, that I can go back to that wig, because man, I don't want to construct wigs anymore, especially when I can find cheap enough wigs that are already constructed and find amazing hair companies that have amazing hair. So Shumedia is that company. So far I have had a wavy haired wig that was 14 inches, and like I said, I will insert pictures. And I have had, I put too much of this crap on, I have to blend this. And now I have this wig, and it's only been almost 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, and I'm just like, I have to come on here and tell you guys about this freaking wig, because it is freaking so freaking nice. Like, I love this wig. I don't do curly, I usually do straight or wavy, and this wig is literally like a lifesaver as far as like just the beauty of it. I don't have to do much. I'll tell you what I do to style this, and I'll get into that actually now. So basically, to style this, I just wet it. I should have taken a picture, or I said that I was going to do that. I'll probably do it maybe in my next review, like in a month. I should have taken a picture of how like crazy it looks when I wake up. Like, it looks freaking crazy. It's all like, I would have to say it is matted. It's all matted together and stuff like that, because all I do is just wrap a scarf around my head, and that's it. Just make sure that the hair isn't touching the pillow, so that there's no friction on the hair. But it is definitely just wrapped up in a satin scarf, and when I wake up, it is all matted together. And all I do is just spritz it down with a lot of water. I just spritz it with a lot of water, and then either run through my fingers or run through it with a comb, and it comes out to look like this as it starts to dry. And then sometimes I will use the, I said it in the video with Don Millie, I will insert the name, but it's something curl smoothie something, and I will like either liven up the curls with that. Actually, I don't like to put too much of that in my hair. I actually do like my hair to dry, which I know not a lot of people like to do that. Like, people like when they have curly hair for it to look moisturized. Me, I like mine to dry looking, so it looks kind of more like natural hair, because I did one time put a lot of that stuff in my hair, and what it did is kind of like hardened the curls, and it made it look like it was still wet and moisturized, but I don't like that look, so that wasn't for me. Maybe with my, you can see it, the wig right here, with this curly one, I probably might want that, but with this one, I don't really care. I want it to actually look frizzy and have a lot of volume, because I believe that this is probably a 130 density, so it doesn't carry that much volume, and it's curly, and I'm like, yeah, with straight hair, I don't mind it not having a lot of volume and being straight down, but with curly hair, that's not cute, so I like it to be all poofy and stuff. The one thing that I didn't like about this, which I don't know if you can ask them, because like my last wig that came from them was different, the cap in this is freaking beige. Like, it's beige. I'm trying to find something to like compare it to. It is beige, and I'm like, what the heck, that's not my scalp color. So I'm like, maybe I can ask them the next time to like give me a brown, like something like this, not beige. It is like literally beige, and I'm like, I don't know what the back of my head, oh, I have some beige. It's like beige like this, probably like that, and I'm like, this isn't cutting it, because I can't see the back of my head, so I don't know if it's showing, and like, I shouldn't say that I don't care. I should like things to match, but like the cap in this is definitely like weird, and I'm just like, I should ask them. I'm pretty sure I could dye it myself too. It's already on my head. I'm too lazy to do that, but yeah. So I just literally wanted to come and just talk about this hair. I've been talking about it for 10 minutes, and I think that this video is 10 minutes too long, 5 minutes too long. It should only take me 5 minutes to talk about it, because it usually takes me that long. But like I said, I was doing this at the same time. So yeah, I would suggest that you guys definitely hit up Shumedia on Aliexpress and buy you some of this hair. I will insert some photos of, I guess, me what I'm looking like after this and how the hair really does look like with volume. And I will talk to you guys later. And like I said, if you want me to review any hair, just leave it down in the description. I mean, in the comment section. And make sure to follow me on my socials. Subscribe. My socials are Maya_love, MAY_LOVE. And like I said, be sure to subscribe because I love doing hair reviews and affordable hair reviews. Not affordable $200, like affordable less than $160. So, just stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.